Troops, good morning. Dito ako ngayon sa Prince Hypermart. Ipapakita ko sa inyo different kinds of Unilever Company merge. Part 15, clear tube. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Clear Men, Cold Sport Menthol, Taurine Plus Anti-Dandruff Technology. 320 ml po siya. Cold Sport.
Five Foods Merchandiser, 0 please. Five Foods Merchandiser, 0 please.
Meron din tayong Clear Men, Cold Sport Menthol, Taurine Plus Triple. 170 ml po siya. Ayan. At meron din tayong Clear Men, Cold Sport, 70 ml. Meron din tayong Clear Anti-Dandruff Scalp Care Shampoo, Complete Soap Care, 170 ml. Ayan. Ayan. You can buy it in any grocery stores or kahit small store.
Let Prince Hypermart Distancia assist your SIM card registration. Kindly visit customer service mode for verification. Thank you and happy shopping! Kasuke!
Yan. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect. Always rise. Never give up. Thank you. God bless us all, always.